Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is a very practical and easy party eye makeup using the Cut Crease technique and the combination of brown eyeshadows. You can even learn and do this eye makeup in 5 minutes using basic eyeshadows. So keep watching the rest of the video as this eye makeup look may come in handy for you one day, and let's get started. Select the brown eyeshadow palette of your choice using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Apply the brown eyeshadow specifically to the crease area of your eyelid. Blend the eyeshadow well using sweeping motions to create a seamless, diffused edge. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. I've listed the specific products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I'll gradually build up the brown eyeshadow on the crease area, and you can continue blending it seamlessly until you're satisfied with the intensity of the color. The key is to take your time blending the eyeshadows so there are no harsh lines or edges visible. Next, I use a concealer and a small flat brush to do the cut crease technique. With the brush, I apply a small amount of concealer to the beginning of my eyelid, following the natural crease line. Then I draw a curved line going halfway across my eyelid. I carefully fix the lines to ensure the cut crease result is clean and defined. It's possible the first attempt may not turn out perfectly, but with practice and repetition, you can improve the technique. The key is to take your time and be patient in applying and blending the concealer to get that sharp cut crease effect. Next, I use the light shade from this eyeshadow palette with a clean flat brush. I apply it precisely in the cut crease area to make the concealer look even brighter and create a bolder effect. This step is optional, but it can enhance the cut crease look. Next, I use a combination of brown and black eyeshadows. Trust me, this color combination is fantastic. I use a blending or fluffy brush and apply the eyeshadow to the outer part of my eyelid. I blend it very well so the result is a seamless, smoky eye without any harsh lines. I gradually build up and blend a darker eyeshadow towards the outer corner of my eye. The aim is to create a deep, smoky effect. I know the blending process can be time consuming, but it's essential for achieving a beautiful, seamless, smoky eye look. Blending darker shades like black and brown eyeshadows requires patience and care, but the effort is worth it to get that perfected, diffused, smoky eye makeup. I use concealer and a brush to soften any harsh lines at the outer edge of my eyelid. This technique helps make my eyes appear more elongated and beautiful. As an alternative to this method, you can use tape at the beginning of the process. Additionally, I use a makeup sponge to blend out any remaining concealer. I also apply a combination of brown and black eyeshadows to my lower lash line. I start from the outer edge and blend the eyeshadow towards the middle of the lower lash line. Just trust the process and apply the eyeshadow in this way. I'm confident you will achieve a beautiful result. The next part is my favorite. Applying the white glitter directly with my fingertip to the middle of the eyelid creates a beautiful high impact highlight. This glitter touch adds extra dimension and radiance to the eye makeup look. I complete the eye makeup look by applying a winged eyeliner. This step is optional as this eye makeup style looks absolutely stunning even without the eyeliner. I usually extend the eyeliner only halfway across my eyelid as it suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can choose to extend the eyeliner all the way to the beginning of your eyelid depending on your personal preference. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. This eye makeup look is very practical and easy to do, and you can do it for special occasions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel and don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.